you still filling out paper forms but can't find electronic forms to replace them? Introducing FormStream from Voice Technologies, an e-form web app that's designed to make paper forms obsolete. Paper forms are costly to produce, costly to distribute, and costly to store. They're time-consuming to fill in and have to be scanned, uploaded and sent. Information in scanned forms can't be edited by colleagues who need to use the data too. FormStream's web-based e-forms leave time-consuming pen and paper trails in the past. Its e-forms are custom designed for each task. They integrate seamlessly with your existing IT infrastructure such as LDAP and email. They're filled out, saved, uploaded and shared in one easy move, saving you time and money. They can also be saved in draft form and resumed later. Completed e-forms can be distributed via OneDrive, Dropbox or SharePoint. Data in FormStream's e-forms are fully encrypted, so security is guaranteed. FormStream is supported across all platforms and devices running Windows 7, 8 or 10. So, if you're looking for customized e-forms to replace paper forms, FormStream has the answer. No client install is required. Data security is guaranteed. Information is up to date and shared instantly. Captured data is readily accessible. For more information and to arrange a demo, please call us or visit voicetechnologies.co.uk/FormStream.